Switchcraft Conxall, a leading manufacturer of harsh environment connectivity solutions, presents Data Connects, a comprehensive line of sealed industrial data connectors. This RoHS-compliant line of products perform in the harshest environments and are ideal for installations spanning from medical technology to industrial GPS locating devices, instrumentation, data acquisition units, and any sealed data transmission application. The Data Connects line of products includes HDMI weather-tight connectors, RJ45 weather-tight connectors, sealed D-sub waterproof connectors, sealed micro USB connectors, sealed mini USB connectors, and sealed USB Type A and B connectors. All of the Data Connects connectors are sealed to IP67 standards, meaning that they are totally protected against dust and the effects of immersion between 15 centimeters and 1 meter. When all of the circular enclosure Data Connects products are mated, they are sealed to IP68 NEMA 250 6P. This means that the mated connectors are also protected against dust and long periods of immersion under pressure, thus performing in the harshest of environmental conditions. All Data Connects connectors are designed to be field installable and easy to assemble. For example, if a standard USB cable needs to be shielded from water or other harsh environments, assuming that the cable diameter is within the Switchcraft Conxall recommended range, one can easily cut off the end of their existing cable and install our Data Connects plug onto the cable using Switchcraft Conxall field installable kits. Offering a wide range of styles and configurations, Switchcraft Conxall Data Connects sealed connectors allow connections to be made in numerous harsh environments. Whatever your harsh environment connectivity needs may be, the consistently excellent Data Connects sealed connectors will meet and exceed them. For more information on these as well as any other Switchcraft Conxall product, visit us today at www.switchcraft.com and to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube.